Hit you! Oh my god, my face is freezing. I need a map.
Hello.
For record purposes, this was the 2011 blizzard in Chicago, Illinois. Not on my face, okay?
This is a snowball fight for Daisy.
And one for Daisy. It's really cold, guys. It's super cold. But, you know, we're enjoying the snow because there's nothing else to do at home. It's just the two of us. Our children are not home. So we're just snowball fighting. No! It won't even... Can you make...
No, it's too powdery.
I know, it won't even...